sleep. The gentleman as in charge has taken one too much for the road. He's unable to make rational decisions. What happens, Honorable Speaker? We need to be very, very careful. In any case, we are going to a regime where we need to have less regulations and allow the professionals take professional decisions, and they are taken accountable, they're held accountable. All these doctors, Honorable Speaker, are registered by the professional bodies. So they have a duty of care to the patients, the stakeholders, so-called stakeholder. I don't know where stakeholders get involved in my personal medical problem. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, even the most telling, Part B of 2B, talks about National Hospital Insurance Fund. Does this now therefore mean those who are not members of the NHIF and are going to fund for their own medical bills, they have separate medical cover, medical scheme? What happens to them? When you are legislating, Honorable Speaker, there is a principle that you must legislate for the entire people who are the entire country, not only seek a subset of a particular people. Honorable Speaker, naturally, the minister or the CC in charge of health would pass regulations, policy statements, and consultation in pursuant to Section 79. Adding Section 79A, Honorable Speaker, is just superfluous, adding layers of bureaucracy upon existing layers of bureaucracy. I know, Honorable colleague, had very good intentions, but this is a matter he did not have a deeper thought. Probably who assisted him to develop the legislative proposal and even the bill never mentioned to him the existing technical framework in this area. But as we say, it is the members of this House who have got the final say on this bill. Let it face its fate in the third reading, the committee of the whole House, plus the third reading, so that members can apply their knowledge and their proposals into it. As much as I'll be very reluctant to put down our colleague who has brought a legislative proposal, because at the end of the day, his constituents, the members of public, will judge him to as many bills as proposed and passed through. I therefore request, Honorable Speaker, I, as a member of Funyula constituency and as a Kenyan who has been involved in policy formulations, policy review, I'll be reluctant to support the bill as drafted because generally, Honorable Speaker, it is usurping the administrative function of the medics.
Honorable Wondo, there's a request by the member for Wasingishu to inform you. Do you want to be informed by her?
With due respect, yes, for her, I will allow her to inform me, probably on matters of law and the rest of the issue. If it isn't, then I will respectfully decline to be informed. But being, however, she was my chair, and she's a deputy speaker, allow her to inform me.
Yeah, you have to inform her, inform him in a minute because you contributed already. Just information.
Yes, thank you, Honorable Speaker. I think the point of information here is that Parliament does not legislate in futility. Should even this amendment be approved, the problem is what people will do is simply fly to India as a visitor and then go and seek medical treatment. Then the whole process of referral will fall apart. So it is not capable of implementation. So on that reason alone, then it is not something that we should even be looking into. Thank you, Honorable.
There for you, Honorable Wondo. I think you're winding up.
Thank you for information. Honorable Speaker, I'm just being polite and sympathetic to the promoter of the bill